Deadbolt twice. Tonight, it was only once. I'm noticing dust patterns left on the shelf. You claimed that the traffic was crawling today. I'm watching you sit there beside yourself, carefully choosing the words that you say. I don't wanna ask, I don't wanna pry, but the twitch in your jaw is a terrible spy. The timeline is bending, the numbers are cracked. I'm hunting for fiction inside of the fact. I'm reading the spaces between all your words, tracking the flight of invisible birds. Everything's normal, the surface is glass, but I'm watching the shadows move over the grass. Yeah, I'm peeling the paint right off of the wall, just waiting for the other shoe to fall. Face down on the kitchen chair, you grabbed it too fast and pretended to stare at a message from nobody, a ghost on the screen. I'm playing the fool in this terrible scene. I